We really do feel like we're serving the community we live in. So the patients coming through the door are my neighbors, are my family's family members, and we treat them as such. So we really feel like the community serves us and we serve the community.
If you're a person who likes the outdoors, this is a place for you. There's tons of fishing around here. Great food, great people, Southern hospitality.
Southern hospitality means just connecting with one another. And it's not just about saying yes ma'am or yes sir, it's about being polite and connecting with one another. You know, it's been very, very hard for this past year because, you know, all this social distancing has really hindered our culture here around the area. But I think it's time for a social embracing and really connecting with our roots again.
We'll give you some sweet tea, some mint julep, and some apple pie.
Just get ready to get some really good seafood because we have some of the best down on the causeway. We're an extremely old city with tons of history, older than the United States actually.
One thing unique about Mobile is that we started Mardi Gras. Now a lot of people will say differently, but we did.
I think it's great. I've personally born and raised here. I think it's a safe place. I have a child. I love the school system. We have magnet schools, one of my favorite things.
It has lived up to our expectations. The public school systems here are fabulous, and that was one of the reasons we chose to live where we live. So we've been thrilled so far, and the kids are happy and they're settled in and they have made a lot of friends. There's a lot of young families in the area.
It's a family-oriented environment all around in this area in South Alabama.
Whether it's family-oriented or more geared towards adults, there's tons happening on the Gulf Coast. Lots of beautiful places to see, lots of outdoor activities.
You've got the bay here, you've got the Delta. It's a great area.
I personally am a beach goer, so the water is ample. You can go to rivers, streams, lakes, you can fish, you can paddleboard. Food and entertainment seems to be growing along with the region, so there's a lot of good restaurants.
We just went to Orlando for spring break with our kids, not too far away. So, but even just local in the day-to-day, there's some just events and things to be involved in. So we really love the area.
We're like 4 or 5 hours away from Atlanta, only like an hour and a half away from New Orleans, and literally only like 30 minutes away from the beach, which is, I think, is probably the best thing around here in Mobile is to enjoy the beach.
I mean, you could just drive the whole panhandle of Florida in a day and get to Destin and all down 30A. There's the most beautiful beaches in the entire world at your fingertips.
And the best part about living in this area is the cost of living is very reasonable, very reasonable.
It's just easy living. I feel like I've taken kind of a retirement job where I get what I need from my shifts at work. I get that adrenaline, I get that, you're on for 12 hours. That's what drives most people in healthcare. And then when I'm off, it is just a relaxing vacation.
To learn more about this and other nursing opportunities, call 877-722-7469, extension 1, or start the application process on this page.